y'all, it is Rakit. I am back. I'm back for real, for real. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to be sharing a video. It's been a long time. But I'm back for real, seriously. I have things lined up because there's two kind of special things going on in my life right now. One, if you see this beautiful background, let me say it, you can see my view. Yes. I am in Kenya, East Africa, Kenya. I'm currently at a beach resort in Diani Beach, and it's been wonderful. Me and hubby taking our first child-free vacation. 5 days, 4 nights. It's been amazing. I've never done this before, and it's been great. It's been great. It's the break and just the stress relief that we needed, especially because the second part of my news is we've got another one on the way. Baby number 3 is coming. I'm 3 months pregnant, and I really want to share that pregnancy, or this pregnancy, with you all on my channel. When I was pregnant with my other 2, like, I lived on YouTube. There's 2 people I followed in particular, Mama Natural, and I can't remember the name of the other lady, but I'm gonna find it and put her information down. She doesn't make videos anymore, but she shared a lot of like vegan, natural stuff. And back when I was first pregnant with Kamania, like, there wasn't a lot in the way of black vegan pregnancy. So now you'll find a little more, but I'm hoping to add to that. So I'm rambling. Basically, because I loved keeping up with like YouTube pregnancy videos so much, I'm hoping that you all can get something out of what I share. I really do want to share it, so I'm excited about that. I'll be doing like updates, sharing the supplements I'm taking, the type of stuff I'm eating, activities I'm doing, and like I said, just updates about the pregnancy, how big baby is, what I'm feeling, what I'm thinking, that type of thing. So if you want to see that, comment below, let me know. I'm gonna do it anyway. But I also plan on sharing more about my trip. So I probably won't do as many recipes in these next few months, especially not while I'm in Kenya. But I will do like videos about my trip, things we're doing, again, updates on the pregnancy, the kids, and then when I get back to Chicago, I'll probably do some more cooking. Pregnancy, if you haven't been pregnant, food can be real iffy. So I don't know how successful I'm gonna be with coming up with stuff and showing it during the pregnancy, because taste buds are weird and energy levels. We'll see how this goes. Anyway, don't let me ramble, y'all. Thank you for sticking with me. We're at 400 subscribers. Even though I've been gone, people are still subscribing, and that's really awesome. I still want to get to that 1,000. I just stopped because there was so much going on, and I couldn't keep up. But this trip is just giving me a moment to reset, and I really needed that. So yeah, more videos are coming. Pregnancy updates, Kenya trip updates, and when I get back, we'll go from there. So thank you for watching. More is coming very soon, and you have a great morning, evening, night, wherever you are, and I'll see you next time.